Welcome to my tutorial on Skool. Today, I'll be walking you through the basics of using this amazing platform. From creating posts to generating entire classrooms, I'll cover it all. Click on the link in the description to sign up to Skool for a 14-day free trial. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to utilize Skool and its features. Getting started with Skool. First, head over to Skool's website and create an account. Exploring the dashboard. Once you've created your account, let's take a look at the dashboard. Here, you'll see several tabs, including the Community tab, Classrooms, and more. Creating a community. To create a community, click on the Create a Community button and give your community a name. Customizing your community. You can customize your community by adding a logo, cover photo, and description. You can also choose who can post in your community and add categories. Creating courses. Skool allows you to create courses, which are essentially classrooms where you can share content with your community. To create a course, click on the New Course button and give your course a name. You can then add modules, videos, and other content to your course. Setting up a calendar. You can use the calendar feature to schedule events and meetings with your community. Simply click on the Add Event button and fill in the details. Managing members. The Members tab allows you to manage your community members. You can see who's online, who's joined recently, and more. Leaderboards. Skool also has a leaderboard feature that allows you to track your community's progress. You can create levels and rewards to incentivize engagement. About page. Finally, you can customize your About page to tell your community more about yourself and your community. Click on the link in the description to sign up to Skool for a 14-day free trial. That's it for this tutorial on Skool. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe for more content.